This is Samyang hot chicken flavor ramen, cheese flavor. Okay, because the noodle is very big, so I cooked for 5 or 6 minutes. Now it looks good. And I turn off the heat. You just need a little bit of water inside. This is the hot paste, so it depends on how spicy you want it. I just want to put 1/3 of it. That's enough. Okay, there's almost no water and it becomes sticky. I'm gonna turn off the heat. A cheese flavor, I'm gonna put them all in. You can actually smell very strong cheese flavor. You see the noodle is very bouncing. It got very rich cheese flavor because I didn't put enough hot paste in, but I still feel like it's really hot. And yeah, but it's not like hurting, like pain hot. And I think I'm quite enjoy it. It's the time to enjoy my stir-fry noodle. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.